Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get more money in My Perfect Hotel. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how to do this. So the first way is to upgrade your rooms. So by upgrading rooms will increase the nightly costs, bringing in more money. Prioritize upgrading your rooms as much as possible. 2, expand your hotel. So add more floors and rooms when possible. More guests equals more income. Also, hire staff efficiently. So hire cleaners, receptionists, and other staff to keep your hotel running smoothly. Clean and manage rooms, earn more cash. Watch ads. This is optional. So in many games like this, you can watch short ads for cash boosts or to speed up room cleaning and other processes. Also, complete challenges and quests. So the game often has tasks, challenges, or daily missions that give cash rewards. Reinvest in amenities. So amenities like vending machines, bars, or pools attract more guests and add to your profits. Also, keep everything clean. So happy staff, happy guests, and services. Just basically keep everything clean and spend more and boost your cash flow.